Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It is 9 Cat Farting at Rainbows here, and there's a really good occasion over there. And while I'm speaking too fast, I want to find it first. So, brace this. She still has her phone. She's supposed to vlog this. If we see
91 out of 100, I can get to 100 words. Go, get off!
I'm trying to if you don't jump.
It sounds like it's coming from down at the track.
We're supposed to catch it on camera. Okay, let's go.
What is that noise?
Let's only get close up. Let's not get too close up. Rally.
Nothing's down there.
Oh.
Oh, you know what? It might be a bird.
Yeah. There, we didn't see it. We fell. Guess Rally has to go to the bathroom. Scared though. I'm running. What's that? We're gonna explore it in the next episode. Okay, guys? Oh my god. Daddy?
Mama's phone outside.
What? What's the problem with that?
You're gonna break it. You're gonna drop it. There's rocks out there. You're gonna break it. You don't have $600. You don't even have a job. You can't buy that fucking shit back. Do not take those big phones outside. Do you understand me? If I ever catch you doing that again, I'm gonna beat you. What?
There's something like down at the track. We didn't check it out because we were scared. And it wasn't you, it was like cranking like a hammer so that. Alright. Yes, I have my purple. My purple. Nobody else has purple. Ha 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 ha. Yes, she's very fluffy. And I'm only 6, even though I make vlogs. Oh, purple fell. I have to watch that.
National Geographic Channel.
Watch it!
Alex, I made you a little something. Wow, it's beautiful.
I am gonna post this on YouTube. Only if I don't cut it off. This is not really important about my life. I'm gonna check. Rally, how do you check your videos?
0 sugar, 0 calories, but max Pepsi taste.
Did you make the video? No, not
We
yet.
know just how
Hey.
you feel.
Anyway, but you have to stop this video. Oh.